Today we are discussing about C3 cycle, the plants in which the first stable product of photosynthesis is 3-PGA. 3-PGA means 3-phosphoglyceric acid are called C3 plants. C3 cycle takes place in C3 plants. The 3C cycle is tested or observed by Melvin Calvin and co-worker Benson and Bassam. So, C3 cycle is also called Calvin cycle or reductive pentose phosphate pathway or photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle, short form PCR cycle. The C3 cycle takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast. C3 cycle is divided into three different stages. One is carbonylation, second one is reduction, third one is regeneration. Now C3 cycles అది ఎలా జరుగుతుందో ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. ఓకే రైట్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ కార్బోనిలేషన్. కార్బోనిలేషన్ రియాక్షన్ RUBP is primary acceptor of the carbon dioxide. RUBP accept the carbon dioxide is converted into 3-phosphoglyceric acid in presence of Rubisco enzyme. This is carbonylation reaction. So in photosynthesis, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of RUBP is accepted, 12 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceric amine are formed. Okay, this is 12 molecules. 3-PGA or 3-phosphoglyceric acid. This is carbonylation reaction. Then 3-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into 1,3-bis-phosphoglyceric acid. 3-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into 1,3-bis-phosphoglyceric amine in presence of phosphoglycerokinase enzyme. 12 molecules of ATP, 12 molecules of ATP using in this reaction. Then 1,3-bis-phosphoglyceric acid. This is 12 molecules. 12 molecules of 1,3-bis-phosphoglyceric amine is converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. 12 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate in presence of dehydrogenase enzyme. In this reaction, 12 molecules of NADPH plus is used in reaction. So ఇక్కడ glyceraldehyde అయితే G3 means glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. P means phosphate. ఓకే, ఈ glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate ను మనం విడివిడిగా రాద్దాం. ఇక్కడ glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. How much? Total 12. This is 2 molecules, 2 molecules, 2 molecules, 2 molecules, 2 molecules, 2 molecules. Totally కింద రాస్తాం. Okay, two molecules, two molecules, two molecules. Okay, విడివిడిగా రాదు. టోటల్ 12 molecules are glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. The glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, 2 molecules are glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate isomerized into dihydrohistone phosphate. Dihydrohistone phosphate. Dihydrohistone phosphate enter into the cytoplasm, is converted into or formed sucrose or starch. Remaining 10 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate regenerate into the RUBP. In the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate ఇంకా 10 ఉన్న దాంట్లో 4 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dihydrohistone phosphate గా ఐసోమర్ చెందుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate ను మనం dihydrohistone phosphate గా రాద్దాం. దిస్ ఇస్ 2 molecules. అలాగే ఇక్కడ glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate ను మనం dihydrohistone phosphate గా రాద్దాం. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate combined with dihydrohistone phosphate is converted into fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. 2 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, 2 molecules of dihydrohistone phosphate is converted into 2 molecules of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is converted into fructose 6-phosphate. Fructose 6-phosphate in presence of phosphatase enzyme. Fructose 6-phosphate, 2 molecules of fructose 6-phosphate, 2 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate combined with fructose 6-phosphate is converted into 2 molecules of xylulose 5-phosphate, 2 molecules of erythrose 4-phosphate in presence of transketolase enzyme. This is 2 molecules. So 2 molecules of erythrose 4-phosphate, 2 molecules of combined with 2 molecules of dihydrohistone phosphate is converted into pseudo heptulose 1,7-bisphosphate. Pseudoheptulose 1,7-bisphosphate release the 1 molecules of phosphate to converted into pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate. Pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate. Pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate. This is 2 molecules. This is 2 molecules. Two molecules of pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate combined with 2 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted into 2 molecules of ribose 5-phosphate, 2 molecules of జైలులోజ్ 5-phosphate ఇక్కడ చర్యలో ఏర్పడినటువంటి జైలులోజ్ 5-phosphate, ఈ చర్యలో ఏర్పడినటువంటి జైలులోజ్ 5-phosphate is converted into ribulose 5-phosphate. ఇక్కడ చర్యలో 2 molecules, ఈ చర్యలో 2 molecules, totally 4 molecules of ribulose 5-phosphate are formed. Next ఇక్కడ ribulose 5-phosphate is isomerized into ribulose 5-phosphate. Total how much ribulose 5-phosphate? 6 molecules of ribulose 5-phosphate are formed. Next 6 molecules of ribulose 5-phosphate is converted into 6 molecules of ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. In the reaction, 6 molecules of ATP is used in the reaction. So ఇక్కడ 6 molecules of ribulose 5-phosphate, 6 molecules of ATP ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని 6 molecules RUBP, this is ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, short form is RUBP. This is regenerated RUBP. ఇది C3 cycle. ఇక్కడ దీన్ని కెల్విన్ సైకిల్ అంటారు. ఈ కెల్విన్ సైకిల్లో మనం టోటల్ ఎన్ని ఏటీపీలు యూజ్ అవుతాయో చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ రిడక్షన్ చర్యలో 12 molecules ఆఫ్ ఏటీపీ ప్లస్ లాస్ట్ రియాక్షన్లో కూడా 6 ఏటీపీస్ ఉపయోగపడ్డాయి. కాబట్టి టోటల్ ఏటీపీ ఉపయోగపడే ఏటీపీలని 18 ఏటీపీలు. అలాగే ఇక్కడ చర్యలో 12 NADPH ప్లస్ H+లు వినియోగించబడింది. కాబట్టి టోటల్ 12 NADPH ప్లస్ H+. ఇది C3 సైకిల్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.